Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how to mute sound widget in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be Modern Warfare and then just click here on options. And when you're in options, you want to be in general and just scroll down below, and you're gonna see here show mute sound widget. And you just add it to disabled or enable. It's up to you which one you choose. And that's pretty much it. So again, when you are in a Call of Duty Modern Warfare, just click on options, show mute sound widget or show mute voice chat widget. Again, up to you. So that's pretty much it. Thank you everybody, have a great day and goodbye.